Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Imran, and as promised, today I will be showing how much a tiny YouTube channel like mine with less than 2,000 subscribers at the time of filming can potentially earn on this awesome platform we call home. But before we get started, please like and share this video and consider subscribing to the channel to help me reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year, 2021. It would really mean a lot. I was lucky to have a video of mine cross 100,000 views, which will be one of the videos we will be looking into today to see how much moolah it brought in. Now without any further delay, let us jump into my YouTube Studio dashboard and head over to the analytics section. The video in question features a screen mirroring device called Mirror Screen, which as you can see here I picked up from AliExpress for $11.20 US including shipping. So let's go to this video's analytics for some insights. On May 26, 2018, this video crossed the 100,000 view mark and earned me US $103.40 with an average CPM of 3.92. CPM can vary from topic to topic as well as time period, as you can see here. I know it's not much, but considering the device only cost me $11 and the video I whipped up was nothing fancy, it's still pretty good. I mean the income, not the video. Once you put the work in, it's basically passive income forever. That is the beauty of YouTube. Another thing I wanted to point out was this curve, which shows the video's life cycle. You can see it going up, plateauing, then rounding downwards or declining. It doesn't mean the video is dead, it will still get views as long as people are searching for that topic, but they will be much less, as you can see when we switch over to a lifetime view of the video. This isn't the case for all videos. Some may keep the plateau going, others like my PlayStation 4 video can get another lease on life as the topic becomes trending again. You can see the first life cycle curve, then another small uptick in views when the PS5 started making the rounds all over the internet. The most important thing is to not delay but just start or keep making videos, because you don't know how or when you'll start getting views all of a sudden. As you can see from this store tour video of mine, this video got recommended from someone's squishy haul video. Yes, those soft, slow rising toy squishies. I keep telling people to start a YouTube channel, keep uploading and getting better with each video, and eventually the channel may just take off. I know I earn very little from this channel in the greater scheme of things, but every video counts and every cent adds up. In the end, perseverance will pay you off. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. So guys, that was it. Hope you liked the inside look of a small channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and remember to stay crispy.